Do you say Primark or do you say Primani or do you say Primark? I need to make sure I take loads of coffee breaks. Hi guys! So I saw that Primark were doing quite lots of dupes from Zara and H&M. So I decided to go shopping there and bring some goodies home, which are cheaper. And shall we check those goodies? Okay, so I start with Ikea because that's a less and really nice goodies. So I start with those glasses. So these are really nice. Like I like the shape of the glasses, so I bought them specifically from a gin. I also picked up this water bottle because I think it's quite convenient to have it in a fridge where you can just keep it nice and cool, and it just looks quite nice. And plants, of course, plants. Oops, that is falling off. So I think this was like a fall plant, and my friend said that last time she picked this plant, it grew really nice, and the pot was only like £1 for it. And I also pick up aloe vera, and that's for my bedroom because I've heard that it's very good to have aloe vera in your bedroom, so that stays in my bedroom. Coffee. Ow. Coffee break. Right. Next thing I pick is the set of, am I keeping them the right way? Yes. Candles, because I like to keep candles like that on a tray and keep them with the different sizes. It's always nice for like a table display or like a table centerpiece. I think it's so pretty. Next thing I want to show you is this throw because I believe it looks more expensive to actually wear this. It only costs £7, but if you look actually on the texture of it, it does have this kind of like a merino wool or expensive wool feeling, so I think it's gonna look really nice on a sofa. I also picked these glasses because I think they're quite nice. The glasses are quite like dark color, they're black, and they have, I don't know, I don't really know what to say about those glasses if I'm honest. I just like them. I've got very similar green ones, and I think it just kind of gives you that little bit more exclusive look. They look more expensive than actually what it is. And I also picked a faker, and it was separate, so the basket was separate to the actual plant. But I put that together because I thought it would look quite nice. It's gonna look nice on my wall, or I'm gonna suspend it on macrame. I don't know, maybe it will live in my bedroom with me. I mean, it will not leave because it's dead, it's fake. I mean, it's not dead because it's plastic. Plastic can't be dead, but you know what I mean. It won't leave, it will just stay with me. But, you know. Right, next. Okay, so now I'm for Primark. I really like how Primark starts. Do you say Primark or do you say Primani or do you say Primark? Everyone says it completely different. I've always said it's Primark. I don't know why, it's like Prime. I mean, yeah. Let me know in the comments, do you say Primark, Primani or Primark? I start with this vase because it really reminds me H&M and is very H&M dupe. That's how we say it. It's only £6 and I think it's gonna look nice because it's quite tall as well, so you can like put nice heights as well next to it. I need to make sure I take loads of coffee breaks. Next is this plant that you can, it's all ready to hang because it comes with that macrame, and I have very similar plant at home and it looks really real from far away, and this one was £6. So next I picked this one to suspend from ceiling in my bathroom. I think it's quite nice. Like it's got this gold pot with a gold chain. It's really light, so I think like a M3 hook would be enough without drilling into a wall, because it doesn't have any weight to it. So I like that. Another dupe from H&M, but this one also comes attached with a little plant, is this pot, which I quite like the height of it, and I think it's gonna look really nice in my bathroom right next to the hanging plant I just showed you. because I really want to create some heights over there. Another pot, I got this one. I think this is dupe of something as well, but I don't know which brand, whether this was H&M or any other different brand. I nearly said specifically. Specifically bought that for my aloe vera plant, not specifically, which I just said. And I know if I would say specifically, you would probably close the channel and never ever see me or speak to me again. On to my next one. And I picked this figurine and I have no clue where it's gonna sit, whether it's gonna be on my window ledge, whether it's going to go on my shelf. I don't know, but it was £8 and I quite like it. I think it's quite minimalistic. So I picked this cushion because I really like the shape. I mean, guys, I already have a knot cushion and I have this one for so long. It's quite battered by now, but it just always sits there and it gives it like a, it just looks so nice on the sofa. Hence I picked this one because it's quite bright and more neutral, so that could go maybe to my bedroom. I don't know, but it's just so pretty. And it's got like an alpaca, like a really expensive fabric feel, quite like H&M thing. It's really nice. And I also picked this cushion, which is also the alpaca finish, like an expensive wool finish. So that's the texture. And it's just really nice. And it's gonna sit on the sofa, and you've got like a velo plush soft back as well. Once we're next to cushions, I also picked this one, just kind of like the swirl art deco feel to it, but I think those two kind of look really nice next to each other. I mean, I'll just show you that, you know, if you can see what I'm coming from. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah? No? Yeah? Posh, I don't know. Right. It's nice. Good. Right, next one. I quite like this one. It's got like this half and half. So half is like a canvas finish and half is like a, just like a towel-y sort of finish, which also I think is gonna look nice next to it, and I think it's gonna complete my sofa and look so pretty. And I got the set of these baskets, which initially I thought about having them in my bathroom, but now I'm changing my mind and I'm thinking about having them in my under my TV on my bookshelf. So I've got Ikea like a cabinet over there, not cabinet, it's like an Ikea bookshelf, but it's upside down, so it's working as a TV stand, although the TV doesn't stand on it, the TV is above, but it's like an under TV stand. How to explain that? And I think that will look pretty on it. That's what I meant. Yeah. I think I need to rethink like what I'm gonna say before I'm gonna say, because I think I'm just saying completely bollocks. So yeah. Sorry. And I also pick up these. These has nothing to do with a home decor whatsoever. I think I just got them because I think they're gonna be quite comfortable around home when I wake up. Put some hoodie on and just be comfortable around the house, really. That's it. I hope you liked my little homeware haul today, and I have either inspired you or give you some ideas what to buy or how to decorate your house. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. If you didn't like it, please subscribe as well, so you can just watch and hate me. I am such an idiot. So yeah.